Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create stickers on WhatsApp. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that your app is up to date as this is a new feature. Now open WhatsApp on your device. Go to any chat to whom you want to send a sticker. Tap on keyboard. Now go to Stickers section. Here you will see Create. Tap on it. WhatsApp has recently added this new feature of creating AI stickers. As you type here anything, the stickers related to that mood or object appears here. Now when you click on the sticker, it is sent. That's how you can create stickers on WhatsApp. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.